What am I doing? Well, this morning at 8 a.m. there was a lot of screeching outside, so I went out to investigate, and the cat's trying to kill a chick, a little birdie. So I fabricated a cage, phoned the PDSA and everywhere else, and nobody could help because it's not an endangered bird. So they told me to leave it back where I found it. No, I'm not going to do that because the cats will eat it. I'm not going to send it to its death. So I googled some information. So in here I've got some cat food, some dry cat food with some boiled water, cooled down obviously, and mushed up to feed the birdie. Yes, a good boy. I want some more foodies and do yes. Come on. I'm your mommy now. Come on, foodies. Quick. Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Come on. No, I think you're full. I think that your mommy doesn't give you so much at one time, I think. I'll have to cut it down a little bit. So anyway, you got to feed it every 30 minutes. Till it gets strong enough to fly away. Not sure what bird it is, but it's pretty cool. Yeah. Yes, it's good to know. Yes, I know. Yes. Looks like that penguin. That kid's film. Anyway. That's what I've been doing. Day in the life of Josephat. Either fixing something or saving something, so. Yes. Want some more foodies? Come on then. Ready for more? Come on then. Come on. Open wide. Come on. You're gonna fall over now in a minute. Come on then, quick. Come on. I think it's full for now. When the sangria opens his mouth and starts tweeting, so there you go.